So Patricia,
Yes.
I'm so excited to be able to present this menu to you and to your friend Sally.
Yes.
And this is what we came up with. You know, I
Mhm.
feel so. I hope that this covers all the things that you ask of us.
Ooh, engage your senses. Yes, I
This
love
is-
it.
This is what the menu would look like?
Yes.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Very nice. Kind of, I like the print a lot. Do you think you can make it a little tad larger?
Sure, of course.
Thank you.
50
This,
anniversary.
if I'm putting on my glasses, what do you want for Uncle Robert?
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So
But other than that, the design is beautiful.
Okay. So you want the print bigger?
Yes, please.
Sure, not a problem. And what do you think about the dishes and just how they're described?
Starter, dal, bat, and bhaji. I love it. That's
Good.
going to be wonderful. Second salad, mixed greens, main course. Yes, this is
Wow,
beautiful.
This is beautiful. This is a
I
great
love
menu.
it.
Okay. So have you ever had dal bhat and bhaji?
Never. I
Okay.
am so excited to
All
try
right.
this. She's been raving about you. as
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Well, it's a tribute to my culture, to our culture, and you know, Pat said she wanted to make sure that we made it modern, and I hope you're pleased with what we're about to do. Okay, so
I'm
enjoy.
sure.
And with it, we're having a nice white wine. It's just, let me know what you think about it, but the compliments to the dish that we're having. So
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to new beginnings.
To new beginnings.
New beginnings.